Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han. In this video, we are going to make easy another Christmas card. So I have already uploaded this beautiful Christmas card. If you are interested in this, please check it out. I will link in description box below. So today's topic of the painting is fine tree and hung socks in a tree and small gift box put under tree. And then we are going to use the color yellow, orange, red, and green, some seasonal colors, and also we are gonna use micro 3 pen and start by sketching with 2H pencil. I'm just drawing a fine tree center of the paper and then some small gift box under the tree and draw some Christmas ornament and socks hanging on the tree. You could not see the pencil lines clearly, so I skipped a few seconds and then draw with a micro pen along the outline of the pencils. I'm going to begin at the top to draw one big star at the top of the tree. I'm just following the pencil lines to make a tree shape and draw some ornaments and do not necessarily sketch in detail, right? So, and I'm going to continue to draw a few Christmas ornament and socks hang in a tree and gift box and letter joy. And I'm done with outline with micron pen. You might erase the pencil marks, which are slightly picking if you want it. Okay, next I'm going to begin by painting the tree first. And I don't like to do this loose, what I like to do. So I got some water and put it on the tree. And please save Christmas ornament and socks spot. And then take a mixture of green and permanent green to apply all over tree as first layer. And for the second layer, take a bit of viridian and mix into the green which I used. I got slightly bluish green for the tiny leaves of the tree, and I do like to build up the color using a slightly darker tone to add under each section of the tree and center trunk of the tree. I'm using the tip of the brush lightly. And here I'm to paint red tiny ornament and socks. Also, part of the tree, I'm using the just red color. You can use any red or orange, some different color you can use it if you want. I wanna draw red socks, so I'm taking a red color put on the socks area, and then also I'm going to try letter joy part. I'm going to try red color too. I'm adding a second layer with darker density of red color put on the socks and joy part. And then next at the bottom of the tree ground, as you can see, there are small gift boxes. So I'm trying to paint blue and red and yellow box. It's cute, right? And next I got some bluish green, and here I am paint plant at the top of the tree pot with the bluish green, which I used before for the tree. Next I want to do center trunk of the tree paint, so I got some brown color paint as well. Lastly, I want to use splatter technique, what I like to do. So I'm covering down part of the paper, scratch paper, with scratch paper. So I don't want to leave some color spot on the letter joy. So to splash it with reddish orange, it will look nature. This is the final step, and I'm just going to draw more tree leaves and adding some red color, put on the socks and ornament, and draw ground lines with the pen. And also I'm just going to keep doing it until I'm happy with the detail. We are all done this painting. I hope you had a good time as I did. Thank you for watching this, the end of the painting. See you next time. Bye.